Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, your order number and account credentials. Open the Dominos app or website and sign in so you can access active orders immediately. Once logged in, navigate to orders and locate the current order. Check the status carefully because you can cancel when it says preparing or earlier, but not after out for delivery. Make sure to act quickly. The sooner you start, the higher the chance to stop the order before it leaves. Once you've found the active order, tap it and look for Cancel Order or Request Cancellation option. That button triggers the process. You will usually pick a cancellation reason from a short list, then confirm. The app shows a confirmation message when successful. If the cancel button is missing, don't panic. Use the app's live chat or the order support feature straight away because staff can sometimes intercept the order manually if it hasn't left the store. To finish, confirm you received an email or text showing cancellation and refund details. Refunds often take 3-7 business days depending on your payment method. Once done, double-check your account balance and notification history. If the app failed to cancel, call the store directly with your order number to request immediate stop. Speak calmly and clearly. If you were charged despite cancellation, contact Domino's support and, if necessary, your bank or card provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.